Well, now I have to flip it. If you're planning on moving to done, don't. I just want to make sure what we're seeing is what we're seeing. This is why we pay people $30 an hour to sit and wait. Well, at least it is your car. Like, you guys break down or what? I hate it here. I would love it if you had audio. I don't get why my audio is just not working no more. You guys are now going in the opposite direction of the lane. It would not be surprising if you guys were just a bunch of dicks who were like, somebody's parked in front of my driveway, like 2 feet, when it's like 2 inches. Curious to see what you're gonna do, friend. Meow meow. Hmm. Okay, so what if I do it on my fucking phone? Whatever, bro. I scared the shit out of you once by accident, but it looked a gangster, so I went with it. Oh shit. Ugh, grabbed the wrong fucking one. You guys confuse me. I forgot what. Well, I'm glad the fucking heating guy is like obviously got no appointments to be at. Yo, everybody fucking ever done drive a goddamn Audi? Like, or a Volkswagen, or a fucking Volvo. Like, what are these When did this come race cars? That's my question. You guys got fucking spoilers to the fucking top of your fucking aunt's tits. Like, oh my god. Oh. I actually genuinely need to go for a drive today. Oh, okay. Now I get why Ian sits out here all the time, all summer long, because you just sit here and it's just like TV, but better. Because you're like, you know what? You guys made me feel like shit the other day for being like a potentially shit neighbor, and then I watch you guys like just fucking breathing in space, and I'm like, well, at least I'm not that guy. It's backing up. Okay, that's been great. You just gonna pop in there? Oh, I knew it. There's something going on. Fuck flag. I feel so bad for this house. You guys are like the go-to spot, eh? Like, what the fuck is the point of your stupid ass spoiler on your stupid ass Honda? Hey, for real though, let's talk about it. Who hurt you? You're driving a fucking fishbowl, but then you have like a spoiler on the back that looks like two hockey sticks. Like, what is it to make your car more aerodynamic? You're speeding on like fucking residential roads at like 7 o'clock? Is shit. Like, I moved here. I want to move here so bad. Okay, why? I don't fucking. I don't get it. Please. This is what I paid $3,000 for. I swear to God, I'm gonna go to Dag's. Share your opinion. Oh my god, bullshit. At least you guys didn't send me to fucking your stupid internet browser. At least there's that. I'm so sure fucking Tara's right. I'm sure fucking call somebody. Mm-hmm. Me. Cool. Oh my god, really? Mm. For the Microsoft devices, blah, blah, blah. That didn't help. I know there's a way to do this. Wait. Blurp. Blurp. Windows system. Not the command prompt. Component service. Desktop. Performance monitor. Systemation. Event viewer. ODBC. 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 Data center. No. Oh, what the fuck would O stand for? Something probably optics. Registry editor? This is. What is this? Connect network registry. What is this? Yeah, I want to know what the fuck you are. Better than 84? I should fucking take off after you. Can't fucking see the street. Windows 10. The Windows 10 operating system interface are protected by the trademark and existing intellectual property. Okay. This product is licensed to the Microsoft software license terms to in the butt. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Privacy statement. Adobe. With wait. Update services unless the device manufacturer Microsoft provides services. You can review this. No. Oh. Okay. That's fucking convenient for you guys. Blah blah blah. Yeah, but like, don't tell me how to work it. User machine. What the fuck is value not set? Oh, okay. Hardware. Description. Device map. Resource map. Okay. Nerp. So, description, objects, treat as system, word. Okay. What's the point of all that? Oh, it's to plug into. Okay, I get it. Activation broker.
Consider a visit to Elna Sexual Wellness. Talk about it with your partner. That's the most important part. And then book a consultation at
the one you're fucking, because they gotta know that you're doing it. Otherwise, it doesn't count.
Take a break from your usual
What's up?
online activity
I know you.
and visit elnasexualwellness.com.
Sir, memorize your guys' license plates.
No, you're not bothering me at all. Go ahead, buddy. I'm listening.
Hello, my name is Katie. I'm here for you. I'm listening.
Go on. I'm listening. I understand. I'm listening, honey.
Keep listening. Keep talking. On January 26th, it's Bell Let's Talk Day.
Big fuck you.
Finding great candidates to hire.
Thanks for the bad credit.
Trying to find a needle in a haystack.
I wish I could have known how your services went, but I never had an account with
all
you.
Can do is hope
It's
the right
great.
person comes along.
You guys
Which is
can
why
affect
you
my
should
credit
try
so easily.
ZipRecruiter for free at ziprecruiter.ca/Canada. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on
Devices.
candidates finding you. It finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies
Why
people
is
with
this
the right
so
experience
fucking
and
focused
actively
on
invites them
fonts?
to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.
What happened to not advertising for fucking marijuana?
ZipRecruiter.ca/Canada. ZipRecruiter.ca/Canada.
No one likes what if questions. Like, what if a loved one can no longer live alone? Chateau Dollard has the answers.
You put them in a fucking home. They'll die in a couple months thanks to Legault.
For 30 years. Call 514-685-4444 or visit chateaudollard.com.
First, we need to decide on a neighborhood, then get a pre-approval, hopefully at a fantastic rate. Find a realtor, a notary, get insurance.
Let's just call Northeast.
So what's the configuration?
I'm Terry
Something to
Lacos,
do with the
president and
fonts.
founder of Northeast. Whether you're buying your first home or you're a seasoned investor, my team of mortgage and real estate brokers and I are here to help. It's simple
Oh,
and
okay.
it's free.
Okay.
Let Terry and his team make your dreams come true.
So then what the
Call
fuck is the point of
Northeast
this?
today at 514-680-4674. This is the Elias Macco Show on the iHeartRadio Talk Network.
A new study has found CBD, an ingredient found in cannabis, can give some kind of protection against COVID-19. How exactly does this work? Will we be able to eventually rely on this? Let's find out a little bit more. Sounds interesting to see.
Who's the pothead now?
Dr. Maria Fernandez on the line, postdoctoral fellow at the
Like
University
a week ago,
of
we were still
Waterloo.
talking about this.
Dr. Fernandez, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me. Good morning.
How did you stumble upon this, CBD and COVID-19?
Yeah, everything began with the very beginning of the pandemic. We wanted to see if we could contribute. So that's how the story started. So first, we were interested not only on the effects of CBD on COVID-19,
Everybody
but
just
we
needs to
wanted kind
smoke a
of
little bit of
see
pot.
how the cells would respond to an infection caused by 3 specific proteins that are present in the COVID-19 virus. So what we did, we infected the cells with these proteins, hoping to see the cells activating their normal
This blue
defense
Volkswagen
mechanism,
thing.
their
I thought it was
immune
like
response
Black
to
Mirror,
destroy the cells
and now I
infected
don't know
with
who
the
it
virus.
is.
However, this was not happening.
I don't know if
And
they.
that was
Oh,
kind
they're
of
stopping and
surprising.
backing up.
What we saw was looking more like
Whoever it is,
the cells were not
definitely
even
not the Toyota chick.
noticing the presence of the virus. But then
You
we
scared
decided
the
to add
shit out of me,
CBD to
though.
the cells and
Your
see
fucking
what would
hazards on and you're
happen.
backing
And
up.
when we added
I'm literally
CBD
about
to
to
the cells
shit my pants.
infected with these proteins
Is this the
from
moment
the
I
COVID
find out who you
virus,
are?
we were surprised to see that CBD was
This is gonna be
causing
a
the
fucking
cells to activate
Yeah,
the
what?
natural immunity that we have inside of our cells. And by doing so, CBD was causing the infected cells to die. So the infected cells, they were not able to keep infecting healthy cells.
I mean, I'm
So
moving
I'm
out
trying to
now,
say
so
is like
apparently I might as well
CBD
get to
was
know my fucking
kind of
neighbors, right?
stopping the spread of the
Don't worry,
virus
I'm not gonna be
to
around fucking much
the
longer.
healthy cells.
You've got
And
the
that was a
fucking
very
internment camps I
exciting
put my people
finding.
on.
Well, it
I'm
certainly,
not-
it,
Yeah,
it,
and
it
another-
certainly
Not my
sounds
people.
exciting,
my
Dr. Fernandez.
boyfriend's people.
And another very cool thing that we saw
Oh, is
is
that
that we
you?
also treated healthy cells, completely healthy cells with CBD. And although in this case CBD was not causing the cells to die, we saw a huge activation of the cells' natural immunity. So CBD seemed
You
to
know
be
what?
priming or
Everyone would feel a
preparing the
lot
cells in case
better,
of a
and everyone would be a
possible
fucking
viral
lot nicer to each
infection.
other.
So we can say that CBD was kind of waking the cells up to be ready to respond in case of a viral invasion. Yeah.
Now,
It's
Dr. Fernandez,
no
when I
way.
saw the story, I had a bit of a chuckle, to be very honest, because, listen, I'm not a cannabis user. I don't do any CBD oils,
It's
anything
killing
like
you to
that.
talk
But
about
every
this.
single
Like,
person I
it's
know
fucking
that
hilarious.
uses, let's say, CBD oil, they cannot stop talking about how CBD does everything for them. It's like they go through every symptom in life. Oh, CBD cured this, and it made this better, and it made this better, and like people like when in my dog's last stages of his life, I'd have people saying, "Oh, you should use CBD for your dog," and blah blah blah. So I just like, to me, almost it seems like, okay, here's another thing that CBD could be good at. So just let me know. It almost sounds
Sure,
too
I'll call you
good
up,
to be
Ray.
true here. So tell me, what is going on here? Why, what's your hypothesis as to why CBD is proving to be effective here?
Why CBD does that? Why CBD is causing the cells, activating the immune system and causing the cells to die, therefore kind of helping stop the spread? We don't know. We know how it is doing it. It's a very molecular mechanism, which is described in our publication. But the reason why CBD does that, we still don't know.
You guys can't even seem to like really figure out how to work fucking like streaming and broadcasting shit. You guys have literally one job.
Getting CBD gummies. I
Oh,
want
wow.
to make sure that everybody understands that for this
Okay.
study, we use it synthetic pharmaceutical grade CBD,
Compact.
and
Excellent.
and that was a very high dose CBD. So
Thanks for
CBD
that
is a
update.
compound of the cannabis plant, yes, but it's present in very low quantities in marijuana.
Okay.
Plus the effects that we saw in our work they were really, really dose dependent. So it's very unlikely that people will have the benefits of CBD on COVID-19 by simply smoking pot, for example. And about the gummies, I just want to clarify again.
Nah.
There was a high dose CBD that we used it, and we saw this effect. So
Edibles ain't the same.
that would need to be prescribed to potentially
Local
have an
machine.
effect. Although I cannot state that right now because I don't have any data
Okay.
in humans. So that's a cell work. It's a preliminary. It's very promising, but it's preliminary work.
We are with Dr. Maria Fernandez, postdoctoral fellow at the University of Waterloo, taking a look at this study that found that CBD, and again, thank you for pointing this out here. When we say CBD in this study, we're talking about the synthetic version of CBD, prescription grade, high dosage, I think is
It's
put it,
hilarious.
which is very different from smoking joints, to use that term, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what could this study? Where does it lead you now? What further studying
This is
research needs to be
really-
done based on what you know so far?
Yeah, at
Console.
this point, we are hoping to see this work translated, obviously. So for that, also, obviously, we will need partnerships. We are actually in touch with the BSL-4 lab in Winnipeg at the Public Health Agency of Canada. We are hoping that we can collaborate with them to test the effects of CBD in mice infected with COVID-19 to see if we can reproduce our data in cells, our results in cells. And we also want to move into clinical trials. We do have an industry partner, which is Axira Pharma, and they are very interested in sponsoring these clinical trials. So these are the next steps that hopefully we will be able to pursue right now. Yeah.
When it comes to the things that you have studied, that you've looked into, where does this rank, Dr. Fernandez?
Yeah, that's it. It's a very promising data. Looks like CBD is really acting like an antiviral compound, killing the COVID cells, infected cells. But again, this is preliminary data in a cell line. It needs to be reproduced in mice, in animal studies first, and then move on clinical trials. So I'm at this point, I cannot state, oh, you just go get your prescribed CBD that is going to help you beat the infection in case you get infected with COVID-19. I would love to say that, but at this point, it's really preliminary. It's extremely promising, but it's preliminary. Yeah.
Do you ever get worried here when you have something like this, like you say, promising, very preliminary? There's so many qualifiers, like the fact that this is synthetic CBD, that in a particular scenario and particular dosing. Do you ever get worried that this little news will be turned by anti-vaxxers and anti-science people?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So
absolutely. I got a lot of that. Yeah. So people saying, I'm
fucking brains
a
out, man.
little not too sure about the vaccine. So is this gonna work? Absolutely not. We are actually not bringing a potential alternative for the vaccines. People still need to get out there, get vaccinated, keep social distancing, using your masks, cleaning your hands. Yeah, following the advice from the health authorities right now. This would be something a treatment to help you beat the virus, to help you not get too sick in case you do not have access to vaccines. There are so many countries that they don't have the access that Canada has right now. So yeah, that would be something promising, hopefully. But again, we still need to run animal studies and human trials to confirm that these findings are actually translated. Yeah.
Dr. Fernandez, real pleasure talking to you. Thanks for the info. Very fascinating stuff. And thanks for all the qualifiers at the end, which are so important, particularly in an age of misinformation. Thanks for giving to us straight. I appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you so much for having me. That was a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Dr. Maria Fernandez, postdoctoral fellow at the University of Waterloo.
The Elias
I
Matko
know.
Show on the iHeartRadio Talk Network.
Now an update from the CJAD 800 Traffic Center.
Okay, here's some straight talk on the roads. Slow it down, increase.
Nope. We're done. Fuck. No.